Na hiyo runway ambayo ndio kubwa imetuguza sana mioyo yetu, ambayo inakatazwa kufunguliwa, na isipofunguliwa baada ya siku 7 mambo hayatakuwa mazuri. Kwa hivyo tumekuja kusema ya kwamba hiyo runway ifunguliwe.
The Orly local community demands that Orly Airpark board take the following actions immediately. Launch and implement a meaningful CSR program for Orly to include community education, health outreach, and at least one local infrastructure project.
This is a private company and we have to respect it's a private company, but we will engage with them as much as possible in the soonest time possible to make sure we get a resolution to these issues that we have raised. Yeah, so that is the assurance I want to give you.